Hello children, today I'll make lungs model in front of you. For that you just need one half cut bottle, and in the bottle cap I have made one hole as you can see. Then you need sellotape, two small balloons, one big size balloon, a small amount of clay, one bent straw and another small straw, and a pair of scissors. First of all, cut the straw from this side so that you can put this another small straw inside this straw like this, and now fix them up together with the help of sellotape. Now after fixing this with the help of straw, take two small balloons and fix one here and one here again with the help of sellotape. So what you can do is insert this balloon into the straw and fix it up with the help of sellotape. Now see, I have fixed both the balloons on the straws. Now after this, pass the straw through this bottle cap and now cover it up with the help of another balloon. Now after this, take big size balloon and tie a knot here. And after this, cut this balloon from this side. And then fix this balloon which we cut from the broader part, stretch on this bottle. Now see, the model is ready. Whenever you stretch this balloon, the inside balloon will inflate. In this model, this is acting as a diaphragm. So basically, whenever diaphragm stretch outward, there will be a low pressure inside and air rushes into our lungs. That's why our lungs inflate. See. And whenever you release, it comes to its original position, and because of that there will be high pressure inside and air moves out of our lungs. So that means exhalation takes place. See. And if you want, you can seal this side with the help of clay. If you feel that it's not fixed properly, your straw is not fixed properly. But in this model, since it's already fixed properly, that's why I haven't used this clay. So, model of lungs is ready. You can try and explore this model today at your home.